Hey, it's Bey, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Ronxs Electric Arc Lighter. Their company name is a little hard to pronounce, so I'm just going to be calling this product the Electric Arc Lighter. Anyways, this is a very cool lighter that's rechargeable and has a flexible neck. It currently goes for about $12 right now on Amazon, but I'll put a link in the description if you want the most updated prices. Inside the box, you get the lighter itself and a short micro USB cable for charging. That's pretty much it, but I like the presentation. On the front, you have a button to activate the lighter. On the side, you have an on-off switch and a micro USB input for charging. You first have to switch the switch to the on position, then you can use the button on the front to activate the lighter. When the switch is on the off position, you can't activate the lighter, so it's like an extra layer of safety. On the bottom, you have a little loop so that you can hang the lighter on something for easy storage. As you can see, it looks like one of those gas lighters with a flexible neck. The flexible neck is really helpful for when you need to light something that's hard to reach with a traditional lighter, like a candle with a deep opening. When the lighter is on, you can hear a little noise which can be annoying at times, but it's not too loud. It does look really cool when it's on though. I tested lighting a piece of paper on fire, and as you can see, it does the job with no problem. This lighter is windproof, so it'll handle windy weather, and it's also moisture proof, which basically means it's splash proof. This is a rechargeable lighter, which means that if the battery is dead, you can just charge it up again to use it, but there is no way to tell how much battery you have left. I wish they'd put in some sort of way to tell how much battery is left, but that's all the bad things I have to say about this lighter. Overall, the Electric Arc Lighter is a great lighter because of its flexible neck, decent price, and rechargeable battery. I believe that it will last a lot longer than the standard gas lighters, which will make this product worth your money in the long run. I highly recommend this lighter, and as always, I'll put a link in the description to Amazon if you're interested. That was my video review of the Ronxs Electric Arc Lighter. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get a notification every time I upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!